For one bold move to make Edo State more secure, Edo State Governor Monday Okpebholo's administration don successfully restructure and train over 1,470 personnel of the Edo State Security Corp. This development na big step for the fight against crime for the state. The over 1,472 new recruits wey come from 13 local government areas for Edo complete the 2 weeks intensive training wey the Naija Army conduct for NYSC orientation camp for Okada of your Northeast local government area. The new Edo State Security Corp na result of Governor Okpebholo's commitment to make sure say the team dey professional and dem dey work well with other security agencies. For the passing out parade, the governor wey im deputy Right Honourable Dennis Idahosa represent come talk say security na one of the key things for im administration 5-point agenda and say the state government go provide all the necessary collabo and support for the corp to function well. The governor come also talk say dem need to restructure sake of say the old corps no get discipline and politics don enter inside the matter, and say the new corps dey backed by the Edo State Security Corp Governance Law 2024 and dem go dey work with the police for intelligence gathering and to connect with the people for grassroots level.
The Executive Governor of Edo State, the workaholic governor, the governor that decided to put the people's interest above his interest. Allow me to read his speech. Address on the passing out parade of recruits of newly restructured and reorganized Edo Security Corp by His Excellency the Executive Governor of Edo State, Distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, Thursday 5th of June 2025. It is with a high sense of responsibility that as the Chief Security Officer of Edo State, I consider security as one of my key elements of my 5-point agenda. The recent upsurge of crime in Nigeria has created enormous anxiety, fears and apprehension amongst the populace, hereby affecting the security of lives and property. In Edo State, the high rate of crime, especially in recent times, has been a source of concern to the government. It was observed that the existing security agency were overstretched and needed support. In this regard, Edo State government established Edo State Security Corp backed by Edo State Security Corp Governance Law 2024 to assist the police in intelligence gathering and low-level operation combat criminality. Regrettably, the activities of the Corp were politicized and lack of professionalism and have not met the set objective. Based on this development, I decided to reorganize and restructure the Edo State Security Corp capable of meeting demand of complex security emergencies. A committee was set up of some finest retired military and police officer of Edo State origin was constituted to carry out this onerous task. The committee recruited personnel across the 18 local government areas of Edo State. The training and the graduation of these personnel of the Corp we are witnessing today is one of the outcomes of the committee recommendation. Looking at the display at parade, I am happy with a level of training and personnel were subjected to during 2 weeks intensive training conducted by the Naija Army. This, I hope, will reflect on the performance in providing desired support to Nigerian police and other security agencies. On our part, we shall provide the necessary logistics for the operational effectiveness of the rebranded Corp. To whom much is given, much is expected. Therefore, we are expected a high level of discipline and performance during the rigorous training. To help promote discipline and welfare, I have established a management board to oversee the affairs of this Corp. Finally, I want to thank the Chief of Army Staff for granting approval to Brigade Commander to undertake the training, and also the Director General of NYSC for providing the orientation camp for the training of the personnel of this corps. Let me also congratulate the graduates and the trainee for the job well done.
Retired Major General Sesi Esekagbe, wey be the chairman of the restructuring committee, wey Major General Victor Ihalime retired represent, come talk say the training dey very important to prepare them well to support security work, and say another group go soon start training for Naija Police School for Ogida.
Today marks a significant milestone in the Edo State Security Corps recruitment drive, as it marks the culmination of a 2 weeks rigorous training conducted by the Nigerian Army to assist the Corps to be more effective and efficient in the performance of their duties. This training commenced on the 22nd of May this year with an intake of about 1,600 recruits drawn from the 13 local government areas of the state, cutting across the 3 senatorial zones. It is important to mention here that recruits from the other 5 local government areas will be starting their training at the Nigerian Police Training School in Ogida on Monday. In the course of the training here at Okada, the recruits were exposed to highly demanding training to make them perform their roles effectively, which hitherto was being politicized with some criminal elements in the Corps. The present personnel are exposed to this physical training, foot drill, weapon training, minor field craft, and they were also taking lectures on the roles and organization of the Corps, which has been reorganized and restructured. More importantly, with this training that have been instilled in these recruits, the necessary orientation for effectively supporting the Nigerian police force and other security agencies in addressing the series of security challenges facing the state, while at the same time emphasizing the need to adhere to the principles of law, the rule of law, in all their operational activities. We have high expectations from the passing out recruits in assisting to checkmate the merits of security and criminal activities in the state. There's no doubt that we are confident that they will uphold the high values impacted on them during the training, thereby contributing to the enhancement of security in the state. I want to emphasize that the role of the Corps is essentially to assist the Nigerian police and other law enforcement agencies in the performance of their duties. They are not trained to operate alone, but to complement the efforts of other security agencies. To the new graduates and recruits, your passing out today is a confirmation that you have been formed worthy in character, physical and mental fitness to serve in the newly restructured and reorganized Edo State Security Corps. This is also that not all of you who came are passing out today, as some were sent home when they were identified as not medically fit. It is expected that the knowledge you have gained from this training will be put to good use for the overall interest of the state. The expectations are high. The people of the state therefore look forward to seeing a remarkable improvement in the level of discipline and effective performance of your duties. Let me also remind you that your activities are closely monitored, and the profiling is also going on to know those who are good enough to serve in the Corps. You will undergo a series of weeding processes. The Department of State Services will equally do some profiling to know those who are court members, those who have questionable characters, are not allowed to serve in the Corps.
Local government chemos them, including Ovia North East and Oriomo, come here to move and come here and say them believe say it go improve security for them areas.
You can see the situation of things on ground. Everybody are happy. Thank God for the life of the executive governor of the state, President of Senator Mode Okpewuru. All thanks to him for bringing this idea. With this, we can be able to tackle insecurity in the state. This will serve as a lesson to those planning evil, the kidnappers. With this, Edo is a no-go area.
A plus to the governor. He has been doing well. This one again that showed another wonderful work he has done. So with the parade they did that we saw today, shows that I'm sure the kidnappers anywhere they are, they would have been run this time with the performances of the members.
To be sincere, I'm very impressed with this exercise. It shows that the governor has the people at heart to tackle the insecurity across the state. It shows that he's really working and he want the safety of people and property in the state. So I want to thank him for what he has done and also commend the security personnel who carry on this exercise, because I was so impressed when I saw them during the parade. So it shows that they have taught them how to fight the insecurity in the state and the various local governments.
The event gets march past, tactical display, and even tug of war to show unity and set them ready to work. With strong backing and serious training, Edo State Security Corps don ready gidigba to help keep the state safe, and this na new chapter for Edo State Security as the trained personnel go dey work hand in hand with other security teams to protect lives and properties. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Kata Ojesele, TMC News.